In this video, you'll learn how to reprint a shipping label on eBay. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to retrieve and print your shipping label again, ensuring that your package is properly labeled for delivery. Begin by logging into your eBay account and navigating to the Seller Hub. Once you are in the Seller Hub, locate the Orders section on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Orders to view a list of your recent transactions. After the Orders page loads, find the specific order for which you need to reprint the shipping label. You can identify your shipped orders by looking for the status indicated next to each order. Once you locate the correct order, click on the option labeled View Shipping Label Details. This action will display the shipping information associated with that order. Next, look for the option labeled Reprint Label. Click on this option to proceed with reprinting. Before printing, it is important to check your printer settings to ensure they are configured correctly. Make sure that your printer is connected and that you have selected the right paper size to avoid any printing issues. Once you have confirmed your printer settings, you will have the option to download the label as a PDF file. Click the download button and the label will be saved to your device. After the file has been downloaded, open the PDF and print it clearly on label paper. Ensure that the printed label is readable and that all information is visible. After printing, securely attach the label to your package. Take care to avoid covering the barcode area, as this could affect the scanning process during shipment. It is also prudent to confirm that the tracking number printed on the label remains valid. You can do this by checking the tracking number on the eBay platform. Keep a copy of the shipping label for your records, as this can be helpful for tracking and documentation purposes. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.